I got his name strip. Moolah romantic, I kiss it. Jerk with fish.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KSD. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, let your friends subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? We need to hit that 500 subscribers ASAP guys, ASAP. So tell your friends to subscribe to the channel, watch my videos, watch my artwork, comment what you think about the work, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my personal Instagram here, and my art Instagram here. Don't forget to follow me there. So today's video, guys, I think you've read the title and you've read the description. Yep, I decided to go to the gym, guys. So today I'm gonna be going to the gym for the first time, and you know, like, I'm an athlete, so I need gym. Like, you know, every athlete needs gym. So I need gym. I need to work on my legs, I need to work on my shoulders, I need to work on, you know, my abs, and yeah. But yeah, so today we decided to go to the gym. But first, I have training today, so we're gonna go training because we have a game on Friday, like school game. So we have training today. That's at 4, and right now I think I'd have to go right now. Yeah, 4:30 the training starts. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading to the football pitch. Then after the football pitch, we will go to the gym to go hook. You know what I'm saying? After the gym, we'll call it a day. Maybe I might start working on my new artwork. Yeah, because I'm actually working on something like right now for you guys. Don't forget to like this video and like my other videos and my other videos. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. We need the 500k subscribers. Peace out. Woo. Oh, peace out. What's up in this pattern?
Ball to this guy again. Throw the ball to this guy. Stop the ball anyway.
Let's go this way.
And you say you're a player. Just stop football, foul. You can't play football.
Bro. Do you see my goal? The Congolese, the first goal. That's how I collected a ball. Here.
First time, then shoot.
First time here. That goal against Congo.
This guy can't score.
That's
This guy
how I
can't
did it
score
like
his
that.
goal.
From here, I collected it here. The ball was lying here. And who you can score like that?
You can't score like that.
I score, bro.
You can't score like that.
Why?
Your goal against Tanzania, the time he missed first touch, only to try side.
He was with me.
He did a bicycle.
Against me.
There was this Chinese. I gave him one ball here and the goalkeeper, he played it outside. They were talking to him, got angry. Football, he missed his goal.
Mwanango.
Only here the keeper, he played it out. He knows that day everybody was complaining, got angry.
Hey, bro. Send.
Kuma, mamako.
See,
What the fuck are you doing?
follow. You see you, Remy, learn to play football, leave scoring. You are active. Forget the scoring and
Him
play.
and Remy. Is what? Look, me, I was scoring before. You see, I was scoring before. I stopped like, okay, let's stop scoring. When it's like corner, I will go in with my head. It's okay.
But you see this guy? He's playing 10, like the first nine, maybe 10 or something. You 10 and you see him in front of you. What do you want to give the ball to you? Huh?
You should have seen him the day he was playing against Lions. He was pathetic, very poor.
No, but when you want to play,
Before he was going to play this ball, I told him,
when you want to play,
No,
You don't have what?
the day he was supposed to go and
Uma.
play this game, I told him they can't just go and chill.
So why didn't you
Then
stop
be here
it?
and come to play, don't go and disgrace yourself.
I'm doing
He
too much.
told me that he is a good player.
you need to concentrate in one position. Give your best.
Stick on one position.
Does not mean like you can't play in others. You can play in another position,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But
You see, sometimes
make sure to be a good
Let me tell you something, you are
good
always
one in a
active,
good
huh?
position.
If you see the way you're always active, if you
If
forget
it's
scoring,
midfield,
you are
take the
flat in
midfield. Study.
You see?
Know how to
Yes.
play it.
Come.
So if they put you like 7, you can play 7, but you know in your mind like when it's midfield, you give your best everything.
On the middle, in
You
the
are
middle.
a beast.
Listen. You see, like,
And this guy, you see him, you play me, I'm number 9. He doesn't
see
even
this
know how
guy?
to control the ball.
you see this guy?
Yeah. Yes, you same one.
I told
You are
Do I look like I'm number
Look
9?
at- Let me tell you something.
Me, number 9, like
You really,
Listen.
Leonardo. You know,
Ah, Kuma.
I'm telling
not
you.
Cristiano.
You know how to play.
Is
Let me
who?
tell you.
Is
Follow,
who?
follow. Let me let me tell you how to play your game. Forget the score. There's always a striker behind you. You are playing between the midfield and the striker. When you come inside, pick the ball. 10, forget the score. There are wingers or the striker. What? You want to shoot who?
So we
Behind me?
guys.
That's your ball. What?
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker, there's always my two
This fake nine.
Not Mandingo.
Look, fake nine is not looking, is not playing.
This guy, Zambian guy. Who?
Which Zambian guy?
Zambian guy.
Which Zambian guy? Which Zambian guy?
The fake
Robert, motherfucker.
Robert is not a good boy.
The wing guy, Robert, when you give the ball, you lose it. It's a fucking motherfucker.
You can fake like you want to give me, then give your wing. Then I and you will run to the middle. But no, he wants from there.
Number 9 forever.
Number 9 for what?
Forever.
For what?
Forever.
Number 9 for what?
Your footwork is good.
I'm number 9.
For what?
Either you work with
Really?
me or use the
Really?
wing. And I am going to understand.
Really, bro.
1-2, you don't know.
Really, bro.
Really, bro. Really.
1-2, you know, like.
Number 9 for forever. Really, bro.
Yeah, I know him, you already working.
This is a
Identify
fucking.
me. Who?
It does what?
My shoes? Identify me. Who?
Kuma.
Kulia kibaba kumachomba kisenge.
Acha usenge.
Wanakuomba.
Wait. Let me use this to close one.
No.
Yes, but what if that day they get here and they say that?
Motherfucker. Fuck you.
I'm vlogging, bitch. Listen,
Abaka, question.
If you say you have a phone, if you say you have an iPhone, then you need to have an iPhone 8x going up. From 8 plus going up.
Because you motherfucker, you have legs.
Yeah, then you have an iPhone. No, you have an iPhone 6 and you're busy bragging, telling your friends, I owe an iPhone. What phone do you have?
I have iPhone 11.
With 2G?
I have
You don't even have 3G.
I have iPhone Pro Max.
You don't even have 3G on your phone. Yep, at this point the gym was too loud so I couldn't talk, but what I was trying to say is that today is my first day in the gym and I'm gonna be working on my legs. I'm mostly focusing on my legs. So today's workout is basically on my legs, to build my legs. Yep, as you can see they're already there, but I'm making them better, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work on my cuffs, keep them 100, you feel me? Yeah, but just like the video, comment, share, subscribe. Just finished the gym, so now maybe head out, buy some fruits, then drink some water, get some rest tomorrow because we have class, you know what I'm saying? But please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Just say subscribe.
What?
Just say subscribe.
Subscribe.
I don't know why everyone is on their phone. Like every Chinese is literally on their phone. That's why these people that wear glasses, like they're always on their phone. Look. I don't know why these people are always on their phone. Like I don't know. It's about 10 quiet motherfucker, I'm killing you.
哎，不是啊，
多少？
等会儿啊。
多少？
啊，万兔石瑞，万兔石瑞瘦，5。
这个，
哎，这个5，没事儿，5。
It's not five. Put it
不是
there. It was
这
two,
是
bro.
公斤秤。
不好意思。
5万，5。